Although it might sound like a bluff, eating white rice can help you lose weight. According to experts, you may now eat your favorite white rice and still lose weight, but only if you adhere to 4 crucial guidelines. White rice has long been excluded from the category of healthy foods. White rice, one of the most widely consumed basic foods worldwide, has a negative reputation due to its high calorie content. Studies have turned this negative reputation around, by demonstrating that eating white rice properly can actually increase nutrient levels and enhance metabolism. The fact that you can eat this rice and yet lose weight makes it even better. White rice is a fantastic fit for the low-calorie, low-fat diet that nutritionists and health professionals frequently advise. White rice is a gluten-free grain that is low in fat and simple to digest. As a result, it is excellent for improving metabolic rate, which quickens the weight reduction process. White rice is a good source of vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin B. But eating too much white rice will make you gain weight. Here are some suggestions for making white rice healthier. Keep an eye on the portion. If you want to reduce weight, the first thing to keep in mind is to watch your portion sizes. Do not combine rice with other types of carbohydrates or fats. Instead, eat rice in moderation. Change the way of cooking. The simplest method to avoid eating rice's high carbohydrate content is to prepare it in a healthy way. Rice can be soaked for a few hours, boiled, and the water removed. Avoid frying rice or adding excessive amounts of lipids, such as ghee or oil, which will increase the calories. Include fresh vegetables. Adding additional vegetables to rice dishes like tossed rice or rice salads is the best method to increase the nutritional content of rice meals. You may also pair a small bowl of rice with vegetables or leafy greens. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.